Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get YouTube public watch hours. To begin, you need to accumulate 4,000 valid public watch hours and gain 1,000 subscribers. It's crucial that these hours come from public videos, not private or unlisted ones. Also, make sure all your content adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. Meeting these foundational criteria is your first step towards potential monetization. To maximize watch hours, focus on creating engaging, longer-form videos that keep viewers hooked. Content that provides value, solves a problem, or entertains for extended periods performs best. Think about evergreen topics that maintain interest over time. A consistent upload schedule also encourages viewers to return regularly, building a loyal audience and increasing overall watch time. Getting eyes on your videos is key. Share your content across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions, fostering a community. Utilize YouTube's built-in features like end screens and cards to direct viewers to other videos on your channel, encouraging them to watch more and boosting your total watch hours. Regularly check your progress in YouTube Studio Analytics. This tool provides detailed insights into your watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Pay close attention to which videos are generating the most watch hours and why. Use this data to refine your content strategy, replicate successful formats, and improve areas that are underperforming, helping you reach your goals faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.